Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance Surrender. The song is My Love, the artist is Joe, and the choreography is NICHOL. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in the step-by-step instructions of this line dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Last but not least, please join Let's Mess It Up and myself at the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023, and you can book your room right now at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. So let's go, surrender.
Just like this.
And there you go, surrender. Remember, I'm going to post the instructional if you're interested in learning this line dance. Please remember to visit our website about the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Would love to see you there. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.